Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 120 FPS gaming test on the Redmi Note 10 Pro device. So I'll be using the three applications, gaming applications, which is Ace Force and the Gateway 2 and the Dust Settle. So these three games supports the 120 FPS, and for the 120 FPS showing, I did use the real-time FPS meter, as you can see. So this is a real-time FPS meter which is present in this phone by default. So instead of downloading any other third-party FPS meter, so this will be a really good advantage. As you can see, this is a real-time FPS meter. If you don't know how to enable that, so make sure to check the videos which are uploaded, and also do check the links in description for the playlist as well. So let's begin the game. First is Ace Force, and right now you can see the clearly it's showing 90 FPS. I already enabled the 120 FPS in the display. So just to make sure that I did enable, so let me to show you the display, and it is a 120 FPS I did enable, as you can clearly see here. So let me to select the one of the match and start playing. So you might be able to see the real-time FPS meter, how much I'm getting right now. So as you can see right now, I'm getting only 81 FPS meter. The 81. So 82 FPS. So it's not that high-end game, I would say. Maybe I think 300 MB of size. So that's not a big game, but still it's kind of playing a little bit close to the 120 FPS, but not much. As you can see, friends, the phone has got a Snapdragon 732G processor, which is not high good enough to play this game at 120 FPS. So the Snapdragon 750G, which is present in the Mi 10i smartphone, it was very good and it was able to play at 120 FPS. But in this phone, it's unable to play because of the Snapdragon 732G processor. So this is the first game which I have tested, and it is not pretty close to even 120 FPS. So let me try to start playing the game. So right now I am getting only 74 FPS, 79 FPS. You can see clearly the results, how much it's happening. So this is the first game which is not that supported in this phone, in the Redmi Note 10 Pro, in terms of playing 120 Hz. So let me try to play the another game. So let's see whether the second game will be supported at the 120 FPS or not. So this is a Gateway 2 which I am trying to play right now, and you can see the real-time FPS meter. So this game was able to play at 120 FPS without any problem. So you can see clearly it's not decreasing even below 119. So 119 is the lowest I have seen so far. So it's trying to maintain it exactly at 120 FPS only throughout the time without any problem. So it's really smooth playing this kind of gameplay in this phone with the 120 Hz. So the first time I did play the game, so I did feel a lot of difference, but after getting used to this 120 Hz displays, so I did not get that kind of same feeling now. So dual stereo speaker setups helps a lot in terms of playing the games like this. You'll get very good sound experience while playing the games. So overall, friends, this game is playing very smooth without any problem. So this is a Gateway 2, and now let's move to the final game, which is a Dust Settle. So these are the three games which I thought of testing in this phone, and all the three games are actually supported with the 120 Hz. So right now you can see the real-time FPS meter. It was about, I think, 119, 120. 120 FPS I'm getting right now. So sound effects are also really good while playing this game because of the top and bottom speakers. When you're playing this kind of game, you'll get very good experience. As you can see, friends, it's getting exactly 120 FPS without any problem. So overall, friends, all the three games are actually kind of playing and supporting except this game, which is a Air Force, and the size of the game is about 600 MB and more than 500 MB. Friends, definitely this is a kind of high-end game which I started to test, and other games are not that high enough, so only 120 MB. And this game is only 150 MB, as you can see. So it depends upon the type of games and what graphics they are using. So that's it, friends. This is a quick review, and for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. And if you have any other games in your mind about the 120 FPS, so do let me know in the comments below. Definitely I'll do my best to cover that kind of video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.